We're going to start by solving a system of linear equations by graphing. We're going to begin with the equation y equals x minus 2 and y equals negative 2x plus 7. These ones are easy to graph. They are already written in slope-intercept form, so it is easy to figure out where the y-intercept is and the slope as well. So I'm going to start with the first one. The y-intercept is located at negative 2. That is going to be my starting point. The slope is 1. It is positive, so that means the line is going to go up from left to right. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1 up, 1 to the right, 1 up, 1 to the right, and so on and so forth. And then we connect all the dots together, and that's the graph for the first equation. Now let's go ahead and graph the second one. The second one has a y-intercept of 7, so that's going to be my starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The slope is negative 2. That means the line is going to go down from left to right. So I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. The point where the two lines intersect, that is the solution to the system of linear equations. On this particular example, the lines intersect at 3, 1, so that's the solution. And that is the first scenario that you might encounter. Now, let's go over another example. Okay. Now, let's try now 2x plus 4y equals 12, and x plus y equals 2. I'm going to graph these two by using x-intercepts and y-intercepts. I'll start with the first one. Well, the x-intercept is the value of x when y is 0. So I'm going to make y 0. So it will be 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 12. That is 2x equals 12. We divide both sides by 2, so x equals 6. So that means that x is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, when y is 0. So it is this point right here. Now let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. So it's going to be 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 12. So that's going to give me 4y equals 12. So y equals 3. 1, 2, 3. So that means the line is going to go through this point. So I connect these two dots, and that's going to be the graph for the first equation. Now let's go ahead and graph the second equation using the same method. So the x-intercept again is the value of x when y is 0. So if y is 0, then I'm going to have x equals 2. So that means the line is going to go through here. When x is 0, y is 2. So that means the line is going to go through here. So if you notice, these two lines are parallel. 1, 2, 3. I mean, you probably cannot see it, that my drawing is not perfect, but both of them have a slope of 1. So that means they will never ever intersect. So there is no solution. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the third scenario you may encounter. Okay, let's say that I have 4x plus 8y equals 16, and then x plus 2y equals 4. So let's go ahead and graph the top one also by using intercepts. So I'll have 4x plus 8 times 0 equals 16. 4x equals 16. We divide by 4, so x equals 4. So when y is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, x is 4. Now let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, we're going to make x equals 0. So that means I will have 4 times 0 that equal plus 8y equals 16. So that is 8y equals 16. We divide by 8. So y equals 2. So then that means the line is going to go through this point. Now I'm going to use a different color for the second equation. Okay. And I'm going to find first the x-intercept. So again, the x-intercept is the value of x when y is 0. So that means that I'm going to have x plus 2 times 0 equals 4. X equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the line is going to go through this point. Now I'm going to go ahead and find the y-intercept. So I'm going to make x equals 0. So it's going to be 2y equals 4. We divide by 2. So y equals 2. And what do you know? It's the same line. So if it is the same line, then that means that I have infinitely many solutions. So solution to the system of these linear equations is going to be infinitely many solutions. So there you have it. Those are the 3 different scenarios that you might encounter. You might have one in which there is one solution, the point where they intersect. You might have no solution when the 2 lines are parallel, or you might have infinitely many solutions when it is the same line.